All right, guys, we're gonna start it up for the first time in the C8. What's up, guys? This is Ryan here, back with another video. This is Ryan from PO Luxury Reviews. It's been a hard time trying to make a video, guys, with all this snow. As you know, that's happening around the world today, but we're in Chicago. As you know, we're equipped for this type of season, but it's just been an ongoing thing. And, you know, you wait for parts for months and months and months, and they finally get here. And then you say to yourself, am I gonna have to trailer my car out the house to go get a modification done? Well, unfortunately, the ground was good enough for me to take out the C8. So you guys are gonna see me show you the mod that I got to the car. I think you guys got a good idea. Everything has been done on it has been done with a whole lot of thought. In this last modification for this year, I think it may be the last one, guys. I'm not for sure, but in any instance, I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough. I got the C8 Corvette out, guys. You hear it over there purling. The long await has come. It's time to do a mod. Unfortunately, we're in the snow, but we're gonna enjoy ourselves today. We're gonna show you guys what we ain't done. We haven't seen you all in a while. Hope everybody's staying warm, because here in Chicago, we got mountains and mountains of snow, guys. We got so much snow out here, but nevertheless, I think you guys know what we're gonna be doing to our C8 Corvette. Man, that car look kind of good over there. Let me go ahead and do a quick walk around, because it ain't been out in a while. It's dirty and muggy out here, but it's clean, but it's not gonna be clean for too long. Yeah, walking around, it's clean, baby. It's been sitting in the garage. Exhaust sound real good. Let me shut up. Don't have no traction control. I may do some donuts out in the actual snow. It's sunny out here, but it's a whole lot of snow. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll be sharing with you guys the new mod that I'm doing on my C8 Corvette for the spring 2021. Stay tuned. This is a little before we put our new mod on. I know you guys kind of know what I'm about to do. Yeah, I still got the plastic on my touchscreen over there. To my C8 Corvette. You know, it's cold outside, your glasses be fogging up. It's Ryan from PO Luxury Reviews. I'm back with another video. You guys stay tuned. To my C8 Corvette. You know, it's cold outside, your glasses be fogging up. It's Ryan from PO Luxury Reviews. I'm back with another video. You guys stay tuned. All right, guys. So we're gonna give you a look at the C8 Corvette with no steering wheel. Yeah, guys, we're doing a change up here on the C8 Corvette, and this is it here. Ooh-wee. All right, Red, he's doing his thing, guys. All right. All right, guys, we're gonna start it up for the first time in the C8. All right, guys. driving with the C8. It's real cold out here, guys. It's kind of hard to really get it to rev up right without sliding all over the place. You guys see all the snow out here. I'm about to go ahead and make my neighbors a little bit upset, guys. Because as you all know, this doggone vehicle is pretty loud with my Fab Speed exhaust system on here. I'm just putting my seatbelt on, so just bear with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this up, guys.